Hello there. So my name is Israel Oini, and on this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can embed a chat widget that you have created on GoHighLevel. You want to embed it into another website. And majorly, the reason for this is just to ensure that automations in GoHighLevel can be triggered in another website without creating the website on GoHighLevel. So, for example, maybe you've created the website on WordPress, Wix, Elementor, or you created it on Google Sites, wherever the as long as the website builder allows for embedding HTML codes, you can do this easily, conveniently, without stress, even on System IO as well. So basically, this video is just to show you how to create the widgets. Once you create the widget, then how you can integrate it into a website outside GoHighLevel, and at the same time it's going to trigger any automation that has already been connected to that widget here on GoHighLevel. So with that, you don't need any external uh, third-party automation platform like n8n, Zapier, or Make. So let's get started. So basically, you just come to the sub account on GoHighLevel, and then you go to sites tabs. Then on sites tabs, you go to chat widget. So when you get to the chat widget, you are going to come here and create a new one. Click on new. So once you click on the new, you have all different kinds of chat widgets. You have the WhatsApp, you have the Facebook, you have SMS slash email. You have the all-in-one. The all-in-one is covers everything here. Then you have the live chats. This only works for websites. So this Instagram takes you to an Instagram DM. This takes you to a Facebook DM. This takes you to a WhatsApp DM. So all of that, they have their functions. Likewise, the voice AI as well also has its own functions for conversations. So all of this can be created here in GoHighLevel. So for this one, we are going to be creating a live chat, which is only meant for websites. So because we want to embed it into a website. So now we have already created one already. So we are going to click on this. So this was created for a particular website. That's why it's carrying that name. So this is the preview of how it's going to be on the website. If it's on this is the desktop view, this is the tab view, and this is the mobile view. That's for a mobile phone. So we can just come here and get the code. So once you get the code, you copy. This is the HTML. So you copy it. Once you copy that, you come to the site. You go to the site where you want to paste it. So we are using Google Sites. So this is Google Sites. So we just come to Google Sites and then we go to embed under Google Sites. Click on it. We go to embed code. We won't use URL. We use embed code because it's an HTML code. And then we select Ctrl V to paste. Then we press next. So once you press next, you press insert. So once you insert it, can you see that? So it's already on this platform already. So I can just come here and preview. So once I preview the page, we just scroll down. So you can see that. So this is the chat widget. So I can just fill this form, send it. So once I send it, it's going to trigger any customer that comes here to send a message is going to send a trigger here called customers replied. So if you want to create an automation around a widget in GoHighLevel, you have to come to search trigger. You're going to search for a trigger here. So it's going to be customer replied. You're going to search for. Then you come to this. It's going to show this. Once you go to customer, it's going to show this. So once it shows this, you come to the reply channel. The reply channel is what you are going to select. So let me do it fresh. So we'll come to add filters, then you click on select. So once you select it, you are going to select a reply channel. You're going to come here and select reply channel. So once you place this on that, you come here and then you pick live chat because what you created was a live chat. So you have to click live chat. If it is an Instagram chat, you come to Instagram DM. If it's WhatsApp, you come to WhatsApp. If it's an SMS chat, you come to SMS. And if it's a Facebook chat, you come to Facebook Messenger. If it was an all-in-one chat, you choose an all-in-one. If it was a call, so all of them have their own functions, different functions. So for this, we are going to be picking live chat. First was a live chat. Then we come here and then we had filter. So pick the exact live chat that was actually replied to. So we are coming here, we select. So once we come here and select the live chat, we come here, we move down. So we are going to look for live chat is. So we are going to click the live chat is. So once we click on that, we pick the live chat. So we are picking Rams widgets, and then we are going to save trigger. So the moment we save this trigger, it has made everything simpler. Creating this has made everything simpler. So now, once we have anybody that replies to these widgets, even on this page, anybody that replies to it and sends a message is going to trigger this automation. So it's going to trigger assigning the user, sending a notification, it's going to add a tag, and it's going to create an opportunity. So that's basically that about that concerning the use of ChatGPT. So it allows you to integrate from, and you can do the same thing. For example, maybe you are using an AI bot. For example, maybe the chat widget is connected to an AI that can respond automatically. This particular automation can also work for it. So let me know if there's any comments that you would like to make, and let us start an engagement.